came out this morning to pick something for breakfast. Here we go again. Something's attacking my garden. I saw some leaves were eaten. Then I saw a couple big green blobs. I looked closer and I'm like, uh-oh, that's caterpillar poop. Kind of followed around and looked and ended up finding this huge tomato hornworm right here. So first I found poop, these two poops. And then I first thought those were caterpillars or some kind of bug, and then figured out it was poop. And then I saw the branches eaten. Then I started following around, turning leaves over, and boom, there he was. Beautiful but ferocious eater tomato hornworm. Yeah, he's moving now, you can see him. So they're pretty, but they got ferocious appetites. Need to get them out of your garden, go put them somewhere else. Seems like lately everything's trying to attack my garden. But luckily, you know, if you come out here every day or so and just look around, you know, look for stuff. You know, I was looking to see if there was any issues and see if I can pick something. Noticed the leaves gone, followed down, saw the poop, and ended up finding this beautiful tomato hornworm right here. So they're pretty, but they got ferocious appetites. Need to get them out of your garden, go put them somewhere else where they don't, you know, where it's not something you're trying to eat, and because they will consume this tomato plant. So he's going bye-bye. He got to visit a little bit, and that's cool, but he can't stay. So hope you're having a great morning. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.